You are positive on the S&P 500. I mean, on the Russell 2000. You're very bullish on small cap equities for the next 2 months. You say you turned positive on Monday morning. They are leading this week. Why so? Why now?
So there's a bunch of reasons. So first, around the election. Although the market is certainly becoming more optimistic on a Trump win, I think very little of it is being priced into small cap. So when you think about a potential Trump win, and investors are going to look at what to buy, I think domestic companies are going to be where people want to go based on lower taxes. Beneficiaries of deregulation also would be domestic companies, and those that have most leverage to a upswing in the economy. The second thing is around, as people look to 2025, the expected growth rate for small cap is right now 32%. Now, we don't think they're going to grow 32%, to be fair, in 2025, but that's the current estimate. And I think as people look to 2025 about where they might get growth, I think small cap is going to screen very well. Around coming back to the election, no matter what happens, there's going to be more certainty post the election, no matter who wins. And I think people are going to look at it as a lower risk environment. And in a lower risk environment, I think investors are going to be willing to take more risk in terms of the stocks they own.
Okay. You've had a love-hate relationship.
Yes.
I think it's fair to say with the Russell 2000. In mid-July, you made a bullish call on small caps. Okay, on the view that rate cuts were going to be the thing that was going to get the index going, which really didn't work that well. You didn't like them in mid-August. You said they're poor. Their fundamentals are poor, and the valuation was high. In mid-September, you continue to be negative on the Russell 2000.
Yes.
So I'm trying to figure why the change of heart now. If you love them in July, because the Fed was going to be cutting rates and the fundamentals of the economy at that point were good, I feel like there's a disconnect here. Like, you're liking them now because now you're suggesting that a Trump win's going to be good, but before we liked them because rate cuts were going to be good.
Yes. So we've been negative on small cap for a couple of years on that view. Small caps today are the same price they were 3 years ago. They've gone nowhere because earnings estimates have been in decline. And Russell 2000 today, as I'm making this bullish call, are expensive. They're not cheap. They are not cheap. And their fundamentals over the past couple of years have been very poor. Earnings estimates for the S&P 500, they've been going sideways this year. Estimates for the Russell 2000 have been going down. But I think what's going to happen is, as people get more bullish in the short term on the economy, they're going to look at what has the most leverage. Is it the mega caps, most leverage to a sort of risk-on positive economic environment, or is it going to be the stocks that have not been performing well and have more financial leverage and more cyclicality in it, in industrials and financials, that benefit from deregulation, and those are the ones that are going to be benefits. So that's why we're making this switch, and it's been obviously a good call to be negative and cautious on small cap for the last couple of years.